असं काल त्यांचे आंदोलन आशिल्लें आनी खूब जाण डिटेन गेले. सो तुमचे से
ना
कितें
कितें आज लोकां कडेन पासियन्स पेड्डे जाल्ले आसा. आज जेन्ना इतले दीस ते प्रोटेस्ट करता, दे हॅव इवन रीच्ड द असेंब्ली टू शो देअर डिसेंट. दीस हॅज नॉट हॅपन इन इंडिपेंडंट हिस्ट्री. इफ वी लूक एट म्हाका दिसता इन दीस लेजिस्लेचर दीस इज पॉसिबली फॉर द फर्स्ट टायम पीपल आर लुजींग देअर टेम्पर. आनी कालच्या दिसाक जेन्ना तांकां अरेस्ट केले, till 2 o'clock in the morning I was following up, and purposely they kept the deputy collector away. So deputy collector pot jo ashillo, he switched off his phone, he was not responding to the lawyer. And in the morning, one night they kept them. I was talking to them continuously. There was legal aid at the side of them, and in the morning then when we inquired, I spoke to the PI personally, and they had to be basically produced before the STM. So this is a tactic of the government. It is their right. Basically, आज ये सगळे जोरी तर चयल्यार this is going to channelize into a big movement against the BJP. कित्याक इतले म्हाका दिसता लोकांले पासियन्स पाड जालेले आसा. आज मिराबागाचे लोक ज्या पद्दतीन आज मुखार सरलेले आसा आनी हांकां तेंको दिवपाक जे प्रोजेक्ट म्हाका दिसता गोंयांत नाका, खास करून जे आज तांकां भंय आसा दॅट तेंगेली जे ओरिजिनल पण उदका वाट आशिल्ले सगळे हें बंद जातलें म्हणून. आनी आमी मुखेलमंत्री हावजान सांगलां की ह्या प्रोटेस्टराक थिंगा तुमी अड्रेस करपाक जाय, जाग्यार वचोन तेंगेले जे डिफिकल्टीज आसात ते एक्सप्लेन करपाक जाय. वाय इज द गव्हर्मेंट हायडींग अवे? I think the WRD minister made a statement that he approached them, but then one of the protesters, I was just watching him, he told me that they were never approached. So म्हाका दिसता whether the presentation, whatever is their demand, it needs to be looked into rather than just keeping people to protest on a daily basis.
तुमच्या असेंब्लीन जो तेंच्यांनी प्रोटेस्ट केलो, सो तुमी ते कशें पळयता की असेंब्लीन प्रोटेस्ट करप इतल्या वर्सां केन्ना कोणें करूंक ना?
सी तेंच सांगता तुका कित्याक प्रोटेस्ट करपाचो प्रयत्न केलो, कित्याक आज डेमोक्रेसी गोंयांत आहा काय कितें. आज ज्या पद्दतीन लोकांले पाशियन्स पेड्डेर करपाक आज हो सरकार मुखार सरलेलो आसा. दीस इज अ फेलियर. फक्त हे भायले लोकांक जाय ते भाशेन आज मुखार काडटा, तांकां क्रोनी कॅपिटलिस्टांक जाय ते परमिशनां मेळटा. बट वेन पीपल डोंट वॉन्ट इट, you have to look into the merit, and no one is addressing them. Possibly more than 27-28 days there has been no talk from any part of the government. So तेंगेले विचार जे सुरवातेक म्हाका याद जाता बट 7-8 months जेन्ना आमी एक विचार केल्लो, आमी इंजिनियरांक हाडिल्ले, म्हज्या कॅबिनाक हाडिल्ले, we bought the WRD officials. At that time they tried to explain, but we were not convinced. And today the people are also not convinced. So this type of projects लोकांक जे गोंयांत नाका ते आमकांय नाका.
पूण असेंब्लीची सेक्युरिटी कशी पळयता तुमी? कित्याक अशे तरेचे समज जालें जाल्यार फाल्यां आनी कितें जावंक शकता, कितें मारूंक शकता. सो सेक्युरिटी
बाबा कितें जालां आतां सद्या परिस्थिती इतली गंभीर जालेली आसा की कोणा मातले, कोणाक कितें कोतले ते लोकां हाती आहा. ते आज नाल जावपाचें आहा.
असेंब्लीची सेक्युरिटी म्हणटा, असेंब्लीची सेक्युरिटी कशी?
Security lapse.
No, see, the assembly, I will not comment on that. That is the jurisdiction of the speaker. I think the speaker is best to make a comment on that. That doesn't come under my prerogative. I will not call it a lapse. I will call it something where they protested. They were protested because they were not in the history. When people are protesting, it is the government's thing to go and troubleshoot the situation. Why are you all just not going and meeting the people? Very simple.
Okay.